What's the matter? Harper, do you want some milk? Do you want some milk? Tell Mama. I want some milk. Milk. Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh, but you're sitting up all by yourself. It's so exciting. Oh, Mama. Oh, you're okay. Look at you. Oh, is she gonna fall off?